Hi friends, today we are going to see demo on Snowflake table join and fraction sampling. If you have not seen my recent blog on provision faster development dataset using Snowflake table sample, I would suggest you to please have a look. Please subscribe to my channel for early notification whenever I publish anything. Let's begin with the demo. So for this demo, I'm going to create a fresh database called table sampling demo. For this demo, I have pre-created the order table in a separate database. That order and line item table was being copied from the Snowflake sample data. The size of the order table is 3.8 GB and line item table size is 15 GB. I'm going to put off the result cache for this session so that we are not use the query result cache for any of the execution. So let me create the database and again alter the session. So basically I want to return a sample of a table in which each row has a 10% probability of being included in a sample. So basically one thing I would like to say here is like I'm going to read the order table from the TPCH SF100 database which I just created, and the size of the order table, as I said, like 3.8 GB, out of which I am going to sample the order table on the 10% probability. How I can do that? I can do that by using select star from the order table using sample 10. So when I don't mention any seed, it's basically 10% probability on the other table. So let's see, if I create the transient table, what will be the size of the order sample table in comparison to my base order table. So hopefully it will get created quickly because it's just a 10%, and as we see that it's like this much of data. So hopefully we will see the 10% of the rows in my order sample. So now that we have created, let's execute and click over here, and we see that it's very near to 10% of the rows of what we have in the order table, and the size of the table is also nearing to 10%. Hence this is the best way to get the sample table using the 10% probability. Similarly, if you want to use the fraction based row sampling, you can do the same thing, and you can just provide any fraction number or the floating number as a probability and it will create that. So I'm just now going to execute the other table with the Bernoulli sampling using the fraction method. So let's see what will be the output. So we will open the history column and we will click on the query ID, and as this is not completed yet, we will just wait for the processing to be completed, and once the processing is completed, we will see what was the total number of I'm not sure why we get the internet error, but let's go here and refresh one again, and we will see that total partition was 332 and partition scan was 332. Because we use the row base to entire it scanned row by row for each partition, but you can see that the data set is very small, so it is nearly 10.3% approximately out of the total number of rows we have in the table. Now if you say if you want to sample the table based on the entire data set, you can also do that by you passing the probability of 100%. So it is as good as you are copying the entire table or querying the entire table. Say if you don't want to copy the table, and if you just want to copy the structure of the table, you can also create the table based on this query. So basically this query means you want to return the empty sample. So if you create a table, so it will only copy the structure and not the data. Hence this is sampling on the empty result set. Similarly, if you want to use the sampling on the joining, so you can do that. So after each table you have to provide the sample statement. So here I am joining two tables, and for the order table I am going to use a sample of 5% probability. For the line item I am going to use a sample of 7% probability. So here both the table being sampled on different probability and joined and give me the output. So let's see how much time it's going to take, but this will be really quick because line item is very huge table, and we can see that based on the different probability it being joined and return all the rows which matched for the order and line item. Similarly, if you want to pick all the data from one table and only want to sample the line item, so in our case, like a line item is a very huge table, so we pick the sampling on the 5% probability on the line item, and we want to pick the entire data set of the order because order table is not that big, but we want to do a partial sampling, not on the all table, so we can do that either. So in this case, like, it doesn't mean that we use sample 5% probability here for the line item, it doesn't mean that it will also include the order table on 5%. So based on this query, it means read entire table of order and only take the sampling of line item for the 5% probability and join the data and return the result set. So let's see. So if we go here, you will see that on the order table it's going to scan everything, and on the line table it will not scan everything. So is it completed? Yes, it's completed, but yeah, you can see that here. So if we go here, we will see that it scanned entire table, all the partitions. Line item, it took around, it scanned for the entire table, but I think the result set is small. So if we go on the query, it will see 30 MB only, 30 million rows. In the same table, like if we want to sample the clause to the result of join rather than to the individual table in the join, so apply the join on the inline view that contain the result set of the join. For example, perform the join as a subquery and then apply the sampling to the result set of the subquery. Say if there is an example that we want to join both the table, but we don't want to, so because there is a one-to-one relationship between the parent and the child table, but we don't want to return the match result set entire, rather we want to sample the final result set, so we can do that as well. So we will join both the table and then we will use that as an inline query, and then we will sample the inline query. Here I have limited the data set to 10,000 rows because there is a huge data on the line item, and if we execute that, that will take a huge time. So I just wanted to showcase you how to limit, means like join both the table on the limit of 10,000 and then sample. So hopefully you will see the 1% of 10,000 rows to be output of this query. So if I execute this, we will see around 89 rows, which is near to 1% of 10,000 rows. So 100 is near to 89. So as we have done all the demo, now we understand how you can sample the table in the join with both the table, with partial data set, with the inline view, with the simple entire table, how you can do the probability of sampling on the entire table. And we have seen the different varieties of like row based versus block based. So now demo is completed, so I will put on the result cache, and since we have already used, I'm going to drop this database. Hope you like this demo, and if you like the demo, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.